Alright, what's going on, guys? This is MJ from Dynamic Render Labs, and this is the first chapter of my D5 Reality course, which is about camera tracking and render matching in D5 Render. In this video, we'll learn how to do camera tracking in After Effects and export the result for using in 3ds Max. If you don't know After Effects, don't worry. I try to explain everything. If you want to know more about this course, please watch the introduction in the playlist. And if you learn anything new from this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get started. With the footage ready, first I should open the video in After Effects. I create a new project, double-click in the project area here, and select the video. To start, let's set up our composition in frames instead of timecode. Since we'll work mostly with frames, just go to File, Project Setting, and choose Frames under Time and Display. This helps us stay on track when matching everything later. In reality, we are going to mostly work with frames anyway, so why not make it easier now? For the composition, I suggest dragging the imported file here to create a composition based on our file. This will match time and size, but we better make composition suited for going between other programs. So go to composition settings, and make sure the frame rate is correct. Mine is 30 FPS. It's important you go either with 30 or 60 frames per second, which D5 can create output for. If you go 29.9 or 59.9 or any other number, it would be different from your D5 output, so it would cause problems while matching the results.
Are we gonna have a problem here?
Now, to start camera track, I go in the tracker window here. If it's not open for you, go in Windows and choose Tracker over here. Now, you can select the track camera. While it's initializing, go here in Advanced and check Detailed Analysis to make sure it works the best. If you don't see this window here, you need Effect Control window. Go to Window here and check Effect Control. Once After Effects finishes analyzing, you'll see tracker points all over the video. These points help us match the camera. So let's pick some of them around our main object and create few nodes. This data will be used in 3ds Max later.
And I use that as a reference point.
If we take a look at our model, we have this big concrete base here, where the building will be on top of it, which also exists in the video. So it would make it perfect to use as our reference point. And as we can see, a lot of these trackers are located in this concrete base in the video. I choose one of them, right click and choose Create Node and Camera. Next, we choose more of them, right click and Create Node. It's true it would be better if these trackers are located on top of the base, but we don't actually have to only choose those at top. We can choose those which can be great as reference point for our situation. For example, these two are located on this wall of the base, which is clear in our model.
Do not use me as a reference.
After creating around 8 to 12 reference points, or even more, it's up to you, I suggest playing with the time indicator here to make sure our reference points stay at right location throughout the video. For example, if you see a point is not sticking to the right location, it means it's not a good reference point, so you should remove it. To select any of your reference points with ease, first select any of them in the list, then select the one you want. A bit tricky here. Also, if you want to see the tracking points again, select on the footage layer, then select Add 3D Camera Tracker in Effect Control. Now you can see it again. As you can see, some trackers don't stay visible for entire clip, but they do stick in the right place when they are visible, so there are still good reference points. Now, select all the nulls and the camera to export them to 3ds Max. For that, we require a script called AE3D Export. I've placed the link to the original creator's website in the description. When you open it, you can go here and right-click on the link and choose Save Link As to download it. So, with all the nodes and camera selected in the composition, go to File, Scripts, Run a script, locate your downloaded script, and run it. Now here, it's important not to press Browse, as it will mess up some stuff. I don't know why, so just change the name if you want. It will be saved in your desktop. For the settings, choose 3ds Max here and also go to Option and uncheck Add 4 views for Maya scene. Also, as suggested, change the world scale and set it to 110. It's not gonna be exact, but it's better this way. After that, press Close and then Export. As you can see, one by one, the reference points are exported. You can close the dialog after it's over. Now, before going to 3ds Max, we better export our video as frames as well, so we can use it in 3ds Max as background. For that, go to File, Export, Add to Render Queue. As you can see, it's now open here. Go to Output Module and choose JPEG Sequence as format. Next, if you're going 4K, I suggest you resize it to 1080p, so it would be easier for 3ds Max to play it smoothly. After that, press OK. Now go to Output 2 and choose a folder to export. I also suggest to save your After Effects file as well. Alright, this will sum up our camera tracking chapter.
And we're just at the beginning of ours.
If you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section. Also, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next chapter.